Here's the fastest way for you to make $1 million in the life insurance industry. Hi, my name is Josh Waxman. I'm the CEO and founder of Infinite Capital Solutions. We are a firm based here in Miami, and we only deal with high net worth individuals. Now, I started off in one of the network marketing companies in the industry selling IULs, final expense, and other small policies between $50 and $250 a month in premium. And when I learned that I can make hundreds of thousands of dollars by selling one policy, everything changed for me. Now, our mission here at Infinite Capital is to help families become their own banker and take back control of their money. We are on a mission to help 1 million families in America be able to control their finances and implement the infinite banking concept. Our people vision is to have 500 empowered leaders that are developing other leaders to be successful just like them. And the only way that we can accomplish this is by building a $3 billion financial system that everyone is going to get a piece of. Our agents, our clients, and our founding team members. Right now, we are looking to add the next 50 people into our team. We are not one of those recruiting models where we teach you to go recruit other people and we're looking for tens of thousands of agents. That is not who we are. We can accomplish even more with only a few hundred top level key leaders in our company. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can become one of those, because we went through, me and my wife together run this company. We went from the network marketing model to an independent model with a boutique firm here in Miami to building on our own and now creating the company that we could have only dreamed of when we were getting started in this industry. We work with all of the top mutual life insurance companies that are non-captive. That means that we are independent. We can work with multiple carriers, and we have over 30 different carriers that we work with between insurance and annuities. We do not sell indexed universal life insurance because we are infinite banking practitioners. All we do is work with business owners, real estate investors, and high-income professionals, showing them how to structure their financials the proper way to do so, starting with how they handle their flow of money, how they pay their taxes, what they do to set up their trust and estate plan for the future, and how they can flow the entire money through a system that they own and they control, which is built on the foundation of whole life insurance, specifically properly structured, dividend-paying whole life insurance. Now I'm gonna walk you through exactly how agents inside of our office get paid so you can see the easy route to make 6 figures in your first year, multiple 6 figures in your second year, and over 7 figures in your third year. Come check it out. This is the sexiest comp plan for leaders. We're not looking for builders. We're not looking for producers. We're not looking for advisors. We are looking for leaders. And so if you're a leader, listen up. We have career agents. We have the only company in the industry that is non-captive career agents. Most of the time, career agents are reserved for the Mass Mutuals, Northwesterns, New York Lifes of the world. But with One America Financial, we have the only surviving career agent comp plan that is non-captive. That means we get all of the benefits of being with one of those huge firms I just mentioned without having to be captive to them. Let me walk you through exactly how the money works, because hey, that's what you're watching here for, isn't it? We have 3 different levels for our producing team members. SDR stands for Sales Development Representative, Sales Representative, and Senior Sales Representative. Basically, a beginner, a junior closer, or beginning closer, and a senior closer, or a private wealth strategist. Most of these people are setting up appointments for these people, and most of these people are closing deals unless they need the help of one of these people to help with more advanced market strategies. 90% of our deals are joint work cases, and that's because we work together as a team, whereas most people don't help you. We are hands-on in the office every day. We are not a remote insurance agency. We are here in our beautiful office. We have a 4,000 square foot office right here in Miami, right near the Miami airport. I am here every single day. I am in the trenches with you. I'm going to teach you exactly what we've done to help build our company to over $500,000 a month. And personally, right now it is May of 2026. I've only been licensed since August of 2022. That's less than 4 years in this business. And together with my wife, we're going to achieve over $5 million in revenue this year. And our expenses are around 100 grand a month. Means we'll put about $4 million in our pocket this year. And we're going to use that to reinvest into you, to our team, to our resources, to our systems, so we can grow into a multi-billion-dollar enterprise. And we need a founding team right now that we can develop so that we can share the victory together. Each one of these different levels gets a 55% base. That means that if you sell a $100,000 premium, you get $55,000 right off the top. But that is only the base of the policy. You also have something in whole life insurance called paid up additions. This is additional cash when a client is overfunding their policy. We make 2.5% of paid up additions. With some carriers, we actually make a little bit more on this, but that's the minimum. Now, there's also a bonus that you get. You get the greater of either the new agent bonus or the production and persistency bonus. In the first year, the new agent bonus is 35.75% of annual premium. In year 2, it's 27.5% of annual premium. In year 3, it's 19.25% of annual premium. And for the sake of the conversation, anytime I say annual premium, I'm talking about just the base of a whole life insurance policy. Our career agents also get benefits. We get life, health, dental, vision, and you get a 401k match up to 6%. We also get half of our FICA taxes paid for, which is 7.65%. We have a recruiting bonus that when you do recruit somebody, you get 5% of their production for life. We don't have a multi-generational override, and we don't have it layers deep. We give you a split of their case. We have incentives. We have key performance indicators. We track our metrics very diligently, just like a professional sports team does, because I played sports my whole life, and so we run our business like a professional organization. You can get up to 20% of annual premium, which is 11% of first year commission or first year of your base, in addition on top of your annual premium target. You also have a marketing bonus of 5%, which means that if you invest money into leads, which we don't require, but if you want to spend money on leads, if you want to be able to generate your own funnel, if you bring your clients, your family, your friends, your people into our system, you will get 5% of override on them for life, no matter what. In total, if you add up each of these, and I'm using this 35.75% as this total, you can get a total career comp up to 129.9%. Now, I know most agency owners that get up to 130%. And so you have the ability to make as much as a general agent or an independent marketing organization would get at a contract level by your own as just a simple producer in our company. At a minimum, you will get 55% of the base and 35.75% new agent bonus in year 1, assuming that the client doesn't overfund, you don't take any of the benefits, you don't get any other bonuses, but that in and of itself is 90.75%. Now let me walk you through exactly how this works. And before I do, I'm gonna stress that we work only with high net worth individuals, business owners, real estate investors, high income professionals. We typically target people that are between 35 and 55 years old, that earn over $500,000, that's $500,000 of household income, that are looking actively on ways to help control, grow, and protect their money. We have systems for how to talk to these people so that we can put you in the right rooms, at rooms like Grant Cardone's events that we invest heavily in, his wealth conferences, his leadership programs, his sales workshop, marketing workshop, management workshops. We're members at the Trump Doral Golf Course so that you can go sit and rub elbows with the highest level people in all of Miami. We speak on stage. We invest into speaking at events like the Aspire Tour so that we can go get our word out to thousands of other business owners and entrepreneurs that you can connect with. I do everything that I can to put myself in the right rooms with the right people so we can give back to you so that you can be successful. And I'm going to teach you exactly how I walk, how I talk, how I dress, what I say, everything, so that you can go create curiosity at these events, Go generate phone numbers and come back and run high-level appointments with high-level people. We've taken all of the systems for phone calls, for presentations, for prospecting, for follow-ups, for how to design illustrations, for everything, and we put them into a comprehensive training program that we have just updated as of 2026. You have everything for each of these roles, SDR sales rep and senior sales rep, all broken down week by week, topic to topic, so that you can be successful in every single role in our company, with the goal of being able to duplicate the top performers so you can become one just like myself. We also have free leads. We're gonna teach you how to go into these rooms and go meet with people, but we also have hundreds of thousands of leads that we have invested in, that we give you for free, of accredited investors that have already said that they want to invest in something, that they are open to investment strategies, that are guaranteed to make over $250,000 a year, that are great people for you to connect with, and we will give them to you all day to make as many phone calls as you would like. Here are two examples, one of year one, one of year three, of how this might work for you. In year one, you might be closing an average of $12,000 of annual premium. That's $1,000 a month. Now, I know when I first got started in selling high net worth clients, I couldn't even imagine what $1,000 a month policy was. I was excited when I was selling $200 a month policies. But our average premium is $30,000 in our company. So in your first year, you might have to really focus on selling some lower people, and that's still higher quality people. That's still a lot of great deals. Your average premium might be $12,000 in year one. If you sell 2 of them a month, which is one policy every other week, you make $24,000 of annual premium. You would typically get about a 45% split. We have about 45% split between you and the closer, and then our case management team gets 10% to help you submit the deal, underwrite the deal, do everything on the back end, so you don't have to fill out all the paperwork that I knew when I started becoming a high-level closer. I didn't want to do all the back end stuff, so we hired a team to actually do all of that for you, and our average time to close is 25 days from submission to commission. That means on $24,000 at 45% split, that's a $10,800 annual premium. And if you're just getting the minimum here, you get 90.75% compensation. That's $9,801 a month that you put in your pocket times 11 months, assuming that because our time to close is 25 days, you might not make money that first month, but you'll get paid for first month efforts in month 2, month 2 efforts in year 3, and so on. So you'll make $107,811 per year. 90% of all of our agents that are with us for a full year earn 6 figures in year 1. Now fast forward to year 3, because this is the year that we just finished. Our average premium was $30,000 of annual premium. We sold on average 4 cases per month, which is 1 per week. That's $120,000 of annual premium per month. If we get a 90% split, because we're setting and closing now that we're high level, and we give up 10% to the case management team, that's $108,000 of annual premium per month, times an 82.5% compensation, since we're not the new agent anymore, and we're now getting the production and persistency bonus of 27.5%. That plus the 55% base is an 82.5% compensation. Yes, you get a little bit less than you do in year 1 and year 3, but you make way more income and get way more potential for bonuses. And now you go from making $9,800 a month to over $89,000 a month, times a full 12 months, because you don't have to wait anymore, is now $1,069,200 a year. This is as simple as it possibly can be. The truth is that even people that are in our office today are constantly asking, how do I make $1 million? How do I make $1 million? And it's not rocket science. The simple answer is this: $30,000 of premium once a week for a year, and you'll earn $1 million a year. I've now done that for 18 consistent months in a row consecutively. And so I know how to do it and I know how to teach it to you. Now I'm just looking for 50 top people that want to stop selling to low quality people, stop selling $50 and $100 policies, start selling $50,000 and $100,000 policies, and join a team that's going to revolutionize the banking system, revolutionize the insurance industry, and develop top leaders that all get a piece of the action, so we can build the sexiest comp plan for leaders and show you how to earn over $1 million a year and go build a multi-billion-dollar enterprise together and go share in that winnings together. So if you're looking for some more opportunity to actually implement this into your life and you want to have a further conversation, reach out to the person that sent you this video. We are always looking for key leaders and want to teach you how to do the same that we've done for ourselves. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to building the next revolution together with you.